Hi, my name is Monica Ayala, and I'm a career advisor in the College of Engineering for the University of Colorado Boulder within the Engineering Career Hub. Today, we're going to dive into essential insights and strategies to effectively evaluate company culture so you can make an informed decision about the next company you work for. At the College of Engineering, our Engineering Career Hub initiative is focused on preparing students like you for career success, and Engineering Career Services is here to guide you along the way. Our mission is to prepare CU engineering students to be professionally ready for meaningful, impactful careers. We will achieve this mission by providing just-in-time resources, engineering-specific career advising, and meaningful professional experience in industry and research. So what exactly is company culture? Simply put, it's an organization's shared beliefs and values. It shapes everything from how you interact with colleagues and customers to your career growth, job satisfaction, and even your mental health. It really touches every aspect of your professional experience. So understanding a company's culture before joining is very crucial. Why company culture matters. Did you know that more people leave their job because of misalignment with company culture than because of the job itself? And that means finding a company whose values align with yours aren't just as important, it's essential. The right company culture impacts your work, environment, job performance, satisfaction, productivity, and overall professional experience. By aligning your values and career goals with the organization, you support your long-term success, mental health, and the commitment to the organization. These key examples highlight the contrast between what can be an experience when a company culture aligns with your values and what can happen when it does not. Step 1, identify values. Identifying an organization's values by observing how it treats people, makes decisions, and rewards behavior, and by comparing those patterns to the principles that matter most to you. Workplace values. Studies show that people are more likely to leave their jobs due to a mismatch in values rather than the work itself, because value conflicts create ongoing tension that affects motivation, trust, and well-being. When employees feel their organization's culture, ethics, or priorities don't align with their own, the disconnect becomes emotionally draining, making even enjoyable work feel unsustainable. Take key steps to evaluate your own values. You can use tools like values checklists or card sorts to help. You can jot down values that you cherish as well. It's a great idea to jot down your list of values and values that you identify to compare with the company's mission and ideals. Knowing what you value is critical because if you don't, you won't know whether the company is the right fit for you. Aligning your values promotes productivity, company satisfaction and commitment, and career satisfaction. Step 2, conducting scans. You can conduct various types of scans to assess companies. Conduct various types of scans to assess companies. There are three main types: environmental scans, cyber scans, and conversational scans. Using all three gives you a holistic view of the company culture. Let's start with environmental scans. These let you evaluate a company's physical space and presence, both in person and virtually. You might do these things during industry tours, interviews, job shadowing, or internships. Ask yourself questions like, does this building feel welcoming? What colors and designs are used? Do they seem intentional? What sounds or noises are present? And what mood do they create? Does the environment feel calm, energetic, or something else? Next are cyber scans. These evaluate a company's culture online and digital presence. Look at their website, social media, Glassdoor reviews, and LinkedIn, or other news articles. Ask questions like, does this mission, values, and presence align with what they claim? How do they interact with followers on social media? What are employees saying about them on Glassdoor or Google? Does LinkedIn show growth opportunities and strong leadership? Here's a guide you can reference on how to align the company's online presence. You can pause to reflect. As you can see, there are various avenues to identify cultural norms with the organization. Finally, conversational scans. These come from speaking with current or former employees. This could happen in informational interviews, job interviews, networking events, and anywhere you can gather insight. It's a good idea to prepare your questions ahead of time. Some examples. Can you give an example of a mistake someone made and how the company responded? Can you describe the company culture? How does this company acknowledge employee success? Asking the right questions can give you deep insight into real culture. Again, you can pause to read. Once you've conducted these scans, it's time to reflect and decide. Here are some tips on making your decision. Choose a place where you can be your authentic self. Ask yourself, would you feel safe showing your identity confidently in your skills, and would you feel valued? Find a safe distraction-free space for reflection, maybe a quiet room or a walk outside. Trust your gut. Pay attention to your emotions during these scans. Your intuition often picks up signals your mind hasn't fully processed yet. To summarize, identify your values, conduct environmental, cyber, and conversational scans, and reflect and trust your intuition. By following these steps, you can ensure you choose a company culture that's a great fit for you and your career and your personal well-being. Thank you so much for watching this presentation on evaluating company culture. If you have any further questions or want more guidance, please reach out to the Engineering Career Hub team. We are here to help you on your career journey. You can also set up an appointment with our career advisor staff to review topics like job materials, resume, cover letter, or interview prep. There are other topics along this one in our Engineering Career Hub website.